Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create an alarm on your iPhone or any iOS device. Very simple and easy to do. All you have to do is just click on the clock. That's the stock application on your iPhones right when you take it out of the box. So if you just go ahead and click on the clock, you will see an option for alarm on the bottom of your screen. You want to go ahead and click on alarm. And then to create a new alarm, as you guys can see, I have tons here. But if to create a new one, all you want to do is go to the top right of your screen where the little plus icon is, click on that. And then here, you just click and drag on the little hour icons and the minute icons just to the right time that you would like. So let's just say if we were doing 9 o'clock in the morning, I would do like this, scroll to 9 o'clock, and then change PM to AM at least. And then below that, you see you have a couple of other options that you could change. One is repeat, and the next one is label, and then sound, and then snooze. So for repeating, it's basically it's going to ask you what day you want the clock and alarm to repeat. So let's just say if you work 5 days a week, it's the same day every single week, Monday to Friday. You can go ahead and just click every day, Monday to Friday, just so it repeats automatically and you don't have to keep going back and turning it on every single day. But yeah, that's what the repeat feature is for. Now below that, you'll be able to change the name of the alarm. So let's just say if you're waking up for work, you could just put wake up for work. And then under that, you'll see the sound. You should just click on sound and you can go through tons and tons of different sounds or songs that you want to wake up to in the morning if you would like to change that. And then also if you want the snooze to be on, once you're done choosing all these settings, you can just go ahead up to the top right corner and click on save. And that alarm and setting will now be saved for every weekday or whatever you set yours to. Now, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to create an alarm on your iPhones. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.